Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already discussed a lot of ideas, informations and guidelines related with the topic of writing section like story writing. Just after providing you a lot of information, ideas or guidelines, I am sure that all of you will be in position to sort out any problem related with your writing sections. During that very discussion, I have already provided a problem for you, and I am sure that all of you will be in position to sort out that very problem correctly. So that's why today I think to start a new topic for you like diary entry. So first of all of you minutely, seriously focus my today's videos and follow me. Diary entries. My dear students, just before going to start that very topic, I would like to provide you few informations related with the topic like diary entries. The person who writes a diary gives impressions of the events of their life on that particular day. This account is private and therefore honest. No one writes their diary thinking that it is going to be published one day. Yet, some diaries have been published after the death of their authors. Now, for your support, I would have to provide you some facts regarding diary entry. First of all, a diary can be the best friend of a writer. It helps them to understand themselves better. Writing improves us. So, when we write, we learn. Next one now. While writing your diary, put the day, date, and time at the top of your answer sheet's left side. Next one now. Diary entries don't give great details. Let your expressions be short but clear. Writing a diary entry is not writing an autobiography. Through it might help you one day when you decide to write your own biography. After then, writing a diary is not a must. Write it only if you feel an urge to do so. After then, diary entry must be finished just before going to bed. My dear students, just after providing you a lot of ideas, informations as well as guidelines, I am sure that all of you will be in position to sort out any problems related with diary entry. That's why for your support or help, I have already selected here a problem along with its solutions. As a problem for you, you saw an old man planting a sapling and his grandchild watching it. Their silent dedication had a deep message for you. Record your feelings and thoughts in the form of a diary entry in about 100 to 120 words. Now, as its solutions, first of all, at the top of your answer sheet, write down date along with day. Just after then, you have to leave one line, and after then you have to write down their time. Just after then you have to leave one line more, and as for the third step, you have to provide here like your salutation. Hello diary. It was a sight which gladdened my heart. I saw an old man of 70 planting a sapling while his grandson stood beside him, watching intensely what his grandfather was doing. The two of them were very deeply involved in the process of planting the sapling. Their silent devotion had a deep message for me. After all, this is the way how mankind has survived, with one generation handing over its knowledge to the next. The old man planting the sapling knew well that by the time the sapling becomes a tree, his grandson will become a man. The old order changes, I leading place to new. So, the way of repaying the debt of society is to hand our knowledge to the coming generation. Just after finishing the discussion or explanation, now you have to leave one line, and just after then you have to write your name. or as the guideline regarding the question. My dear students, just after a lot of guidelines, informations or ideas, I am sure that all of you will be in position to sort out any problems related with diary entry. That's why I have to select a question also for your exercise or support. So all of you focus the question like, you have been shocked to witness the failure of Team India in the recent cricket match played against Australia. Write a page of your diary to express reaction and anguish in about 100 to 120 words. Next day, we have to start our next topic. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.